Can you see me? Can you see me? Hello, can you please open your camera?
Oh,
Hello.
hello, teacher. How are you,
Okay.
teacher?
Um, yeah. Can you see teacher?
Okay.
Can you see me? Okay. So Um, hello, good evening. My name is Teacher Danny. I'm from the Philippines, 24 years of age. So this is our trial class for tonight. Is that right?
Okay.
Okay. So before we start our class, may I know your name first? Do you have an English name?
Okay.
So what is your name?
My name Hannah.
So your name is Hannah.
Hannah.
What is your family name or your surname?
My name Mother is Lisa. My name Dad is
Sorry? Your do you have an English name?
okay.
Do you have an
And you
English name? So, okay. So we put that your name is Hannah. So, hello, Hannah.
hello, teacher. Hannah.
Hello. So tonight, our class is only a trial. Can we proceed to our trial class, Hannah?
Oh, okay.
Okay, by the way, may I know your country? Where are you from, Hannah? Are you from Vietnam?
Vietnam.
Yeah, also. So your country is Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Okay, so Vietnam. So Hannah, can we proceed to our trial class?
Okay. Let's go.
Okay. So Hannah, I have here on the screen. Do
Green.
you see on the screen? Wait. Do you see
Are you ready?
what? Yeah. Do you see this?
Okay. Listen. Let's go.
Okay. So okay. Um.
Mm,
Okay, the first slide. Are you ready? Can you please read this, Hannah?
okay. Let's go.
Okay. So, do you know how to read? Hannah, are you there?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So, please read what's on the screen. Do you see what's on the screen?
Okay. Green.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So, you already saw rather. Can you please read what's on the line? This line.
Are
Can
you
you read
ready?
this? Yeah.
Are
Are
you
you
ready?
ready?
Are you
So,
ready?
Hannah, are you ready to listen, teacher?
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, so eyes on me, Hannah. Okay, on the second slide,
I
so what
get
is this?
my
Can you read
towel.
this? Yeah. So
My
Hannah,
turn. Holding.
teacher will going to ask you, do you have a toys?
Yes. The toy.
Oh, what kind of toys do you have? What kind of toys do you have, Hannah?
Okay.
Can you hear teacher?
Oh. Yes.
Um, so my question, that my teacher asked you if what toys do you have? Do you have any type of toys like teddy bear?
Oh.
Do you have teddy bear?
Teddy bear. Yes.
Yeah. Do you have?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go back on the screen, on the slide rather. So today, Hannah, we're going to learn how to talk about the toys you have.
Oh,
So,
yes.
teacher, may I ask first if what kind of toys do you have again?
This one.
What
Three.
toys do you have?
Toy. One. Is the dog. Teddy bear. Logo.
Do you have a lot of toys?
Yes.
So do you have teddy bear?
Teddy bear. Dog. And
Yes,
logo.
another,
A logo. Logo.
a logo. Um, what is a logo, Hannah? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's go back to that's what's on the screen rather. Okay, Hannah, do you know how to sing?
Okay. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Teddy
Yes,
bear.
teddy bear.
Turn
So the type,
on.
yes, round. So okay,
Teddy bear. Teddy
listen,
bear.
Hannah. Um, Hannah, can you please listen, teacher first?
Okay.
Okay, so Hannah on the screen, there is a song. So the title of the song is Teddy Bear. So let's go. We're going to sing
Teddy
a
bear,
song. The
turn on
title
the
Teddy Bear.
teddy
Yeah.
bear.
Are
Teddy
you
bear,
excited to
turn
sing?
on the. Okay. Teddy bear,
Okay.
turn
So
on the
Hannah,
thunder.
let's.
Teddy bear,
Yeah.
fly you stars. Teddy bear, that is wrong.
Yeah, okay. Again, we're going to sing let's sing together. Let's sing together. So, are you ready to sing? Are you ready to sing?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. At the count of three, we're going to start to sing a song that's titled Teddy Bear. Okay?
Teddy bear.
One, two, three, sing. Teddy bear, fellow teacher.
Teddy
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear,
teddy bear,
touch the ground. Teddy bear,
teddy bear.
show your shoe.
Your shoes.
Teddy bear,
Teddy bear.
that will do.
No, that will do.
Okay. So Hannah, can you sing again the teddy bear song?
Okay.
Okay, so start. Okay, can you start? Can you sing a song, Teddy Bear? So at the count of three,
Bear.
sing Teddy Bear. Okay,
Okay.
okay. At the count of three, three, two, one. Okay,
One.
sing.
Teddy bear, turn on the teddy bear, turn on the
Touch
brush.
the ground. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Teddy.
Told you soon. Teddy bear. Teddy
Show
bear.
your shoe.
Told you soon. Teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Teddy
What?
bear. Teddy bear.
What?
That will do.
That will do.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Hannah, can you clap 3 times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, start. 1, 2, 3.
3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So on the next slide, let's learn some words. Okay, so what is this, Hannah?
Charger.
What is this?
Yeah.
A toy.
Toy.
Yeah, it's a toy. Okay, follow teacher.
Toy.
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 Okay, another slide. What is this? Can you read this, Hannah? Okay, follow teacher. There,
They toy.
follow teacher. Follow teacher. There
There. There is
is,
a toy. Is
there is a toy.
there is a toy.
Yes, very good. So, on the next slide. Okay, sorry. Many. Oh, there's a lot of toys. Okay, on the screen, do you see what's on the screen, Hannah? Um, what is this, Hannah? This
A
one.
doll. Doll.
What? A doll.
Doll. Doll.
Yeah. So this one, what is this? This one. Hannah, what is this? Hello. Are you familiar with this?
Pen.
A giraffe. Yes, very good. This one, what is this?
It's a car.
What?
Car.
A car. Yeah, this is a car. So teacher will going to write. Sorry. This is a car.
It's a car.
And yeah, it's a car. So another slide, next slide. There are many toys. So the first one, many. On the first slide,
Many.
previous slides, many. So then, next slide, there are many toys. Okay, can you repeat after me, Hannah? There are
There are many toys.
there are many toys.
There are many toys.
Yeah, very good. And the next slide, activity time. So let's go on to our activity time. Okay, Hannah, you will going to choose the correct answer. So on the screen there is a word which is a toy, right?
Toy.
Yeah. So what is this? What is this word?
Toy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
So toy.
Did you put this?
This is a toy.
Yeah, this is the toy. So which is the toy between of this picture? So this is do you put a circle? Did you put a circle rather? Hannah?
No.
Are you there, Hannah?
Oh no. No is brother. No.
Hello.
Purple is brother.
Yeah. So which is the correct answer? The toy. This one, the first picture or the second picture?
Toy.
Where is the toy? The first picture or the second picture?
Picture.
This one? Yes, very good. Okay, next activity, next item. Many. Circle the correct picture. Where is the correct picture? This one or this one? And the first, yeah, very good. This one. So yes, this is the correct answer. This one. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, next picture. Oh, sorry, next slide. Let's read and talk. Can you read this, Hannah?
What do you have nine tall? The tall.
Yes, very good. You're so bright. You can read a words. No, that's not words. It's a sentence rather. Oh, what do you have? So the
What
boy
do you
answered,
have?
I have many toys.
Have a many.
This one. What is this?
Do you have nine many jumbles?
What do you have? Can you please read this? Hannah, can you read this? This one?
What would you
Yes. What do you have?
what you
Another another sentence. What can you read this, Hannah? Sorry? I can't hear you, Hannah. Hello?
have?
Hannah, teacher can't hear you.
Many robots.
Hannah. I have many robots. Yeah. Next slide is this one. Okay, read again, Hannah.
Oh,
What do you have?
what do you have? Have bunny bun.
I have many planes. Okay, repeat after me. What do you have?
What
What Hannah, can you please repeat after me? What do you have?
Do you have?
And another is, I have many planes. I have
I have many plants.
many planes. Yes, very good. So next slide is, okay, where do you have? Or Anna, can you please read this one? What do you have?
Oh,
What?
what do you have? I have many dogs.
Anna, I have many dolls.
Many dogs.
Very good. So next slide, let's play. Let's play some games. So are you want to play? Do you want to play?
Not plants.
Hannah,
Pen.
do you want to play? Do you want to play with teacher?
Not plant. It's dogs.
Okay, so let's go into play. Um, okay, next slide. This one. Draw a line. Toy. Which is, among of these three pictures, which is the toy? The first picture, the second picture, or the last picture? Where is the toy, Hannah? Where is the toy among of these three pictures?
Toy.
Is it the first picture, the second picture, or the last picture? Draw a line, Hannah, or the teacher will
Toy.
going to draw a line, and you are going to answer. Where is the toy, Hannah?
Toy.
Hannah. Okay, wait. Yeah, this one is a toy. Very good. So another slides. Uh, wait. Teacher will going to erase first so that you will going to draw a line. You will draw a line. Don't encircle it. Okay, understood, Anna? Anna, where is many?
Many.
Draw a line, Hannah. Yeah, draw a line. You're going to do is draw a line. Where is many? Oh my gosh. This one, yeah, very good. Okay, next picture. Picture is, teacher will going to erase this, huh? First, okay. So Hannah, do you see what's on the screen? So there are two words, there and are. Hannah, are you listening? Okay, on the screen, Hannah, there are two words. So the two words are there,
Many. Many too.
there, and car. So what's on? No, yeah, yes, very good. Yes, very good. So this is many
Thing.
toys. Yes, very good. Very good, Hannah. So on the next, okay, wait, teacher will going to raise again so that you're not going to interrupt. I have what what's the answer on this sentence? Hannah, what is the answer? Hannah, can you please read this? Hannah, I have
Many pot.
I have many toys. Very good. I have
Many.
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 Yes, very good. Yeah, many. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Yes, many. Okay, next slide. Timmy, what do you have? So, what is the answer of Timmy? Hannah, what is the answer of Timmy? Timmy, if the dog asked
What would
Timmy,
you
Timmy,
have?
what do you have? So, what is the answer? I have.
I have
What is
many
the okay?
bags.
I have many. I have many what?
I have
I have many. Many. What Timmy have? What's Timmy have? Timmy have a
many
toys.
toys.
Yeah, very good. Next slide is I can. Okay, very good. So this is the answers. Toy, many. What do you have? I have many toys. So this is the answers. And very good, Hannah. Okay. Teacher will going to erase first. Okay, next slide. Hannah, we're going to sing a goodbye song. Hannah, can you see this? Can you see? Teacher, don't hear you. Teacher cannot hear you, Hannah. Hannah, hello? 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 Hello, teacher cannot hear you. Okay, Hannah, let's going to sing a goodbye song. Can you hear me, Hannah? Can you hear me, Hannah? Hannah, okay. So teacher will um for today, teacher will going to say goodbye for you. Hannah, Hannah. Okay. That's for now. That's for now for today. That's all for today, Hannah. I think we're going to meet again. So nice to meet you, Hannah.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
Okay, so that's all for today. Part for tonight, Hannah. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.